ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58, the channel that reviews wigs for the mature woman. Today is Wednesday, and although this is not going to become a habit, today is going to be what I'm calling Half Wig Wednesday. Now, a lot of times when I'm going to work, I would rather put a half wig on than to put a whole wig on, and I'll tell you some reasons why. The half wig at least allows me to use some of my own hair. And the half wig looks a little bit more natural to me because most of the hair is kind of hanging back here and you can still see my hair. So what I try to do with half wigs is I try to get a half wig that's close to my hair color. So right now my gray's coming in, but my hair is probably right now about 1B. I think that's about what my natural color is, or it's a very, very dark brown, one of the two. So I try to get a half wig that's close. Now I had a couple of ponytails when my hair was longer. You may have remembered some other videos that I did, and my hair was sort of like an auburn brownish color, and so I got some ponytails that were like 430Ps and those kinds of things to match up. So you want to do that. So anyway, I have a half wig for you today, and this is a wig that's been around for a while. It is a Bobbi Boss wig, and it's called Tracy. And this is she. Now, Tracy is a little browner than my hair is right now, but she, again, when I purchased her, was the right color. Now, you'll notice with half wigs that there's usually a big long comb in the front. Now, I have some thoughts about the comb. I don't like to use the comb in terms of putting it on my scalp, but I will put on a wig grip before I put this wig on. And I will stick this comb between my nylon cap and the wig grip so that it doesn't like get caught up in my hair and cause my hair to fall out, because I think that's why my hair fell out years ago. So this one has a big comb in the front, which they normally do, and then it has a big comb in the back. And again, you can stick this underneath your wig grip. And the rest of it is pretty standard. There is an adjustable straps back here as well. And it's a breathable cap. But you'll notice that with a half wig, the hairline is just what it is. It's like straight across. It's just hair coming out, because the assumption is that you're going to be mixing your hair into this. Either you're going to be taking your hair out and swooping it over the wig, or you're going to put a headband on, and that's what I'm going to do. So what I usually do for my half wigs is I'll spray, some texturizer in it. And I like to use this Remy Wigs and Weave Detangle Spray. I just like it. So this is what I usually do when I pull it out the pack. I put that in, and then I just start brushing it out. And when you're brushing your wigs, ladies, you should start from the bottom and then move up to the top. Don't start from the top down here, especially with human hair wigs. So you want to start from the bottom to get the tangles out down the bottom, and then work your way up with the brush. That's the best way to do it. Yeah. So then, so you can get those tangles out first. So I usually try to do that. And then once I've got it brushed out, and this one is just kind of wavy, it doesn't have any particular style. The next thing I'll do is I'll put a wig grip on. And if you have one that has the lace, it doesn't really matter where it goes because you're not going to see it. So I just put it in, let me just get a little closer. I usually put it like right here, just so that I can have some security, because that's really what that's all this wig grip is for. I'm not going to get too close to the mic. I know you guys think I talk too loud. So yeah. So I've got the wig grip on. So before I put this on, if I'm going to wear a headband, I'll put the headband on first. So let me show you. So this headband is just a regular headband, So I'm going to put it on my head. And okay, so here it is right here. So I just let it sit here, because once it's here, then it's going to be easy to just throw it up there. Okay, so now here is the wig. I'm going to start from the back and then pull the front up, okay? So I'm gonna kind of let my forehead grab the front of it. And then I'm going to stick. Now I'm positioning this comb underneath my wig grip in the back, not into my hair. And then I'm going to take the front part of this comb like I told you, I'm going to stick it underneath the cap and the wig grip, but not pull it into my scalp, because I don't want it pulled into my scalp. Now, if you put this on and you don't feel like this is secure enough, that's what bobby pins are for. So I'm going to take this bobby pin and I'm going to just stick it inside here. Now try to make sure that it doesn't, it's not irritating, because if it is, just keep adjusting it. That's what I do. So I'm going to put the bobby pin on this side. And so here's some of my hair. And again, this color doesn't necessarily match my hair anymore, but this is just an example for you. So here I've got my wig and I'm pushing all my hair back. So I got it where I think I want it. And you may also want to take the hot comb and flatten it down if you don't feel like it's flat enough. I had to flatten this one this morning before I wore it. So here I'm just going to take this, and this band has makeup on it. So sometimes if you get makeup on your band, once you get it on your head, just take a hand towel and just kind of wipe it. It'll come off. So, okay, so I'm just going to put it over my ears, and I'm sitting this band right, like the wig is like right here. So my band is like halfway here and halfway here. And then I'm just going to pull my ears out. Okay, yeah, so I'm pulling my ears out and I'm just kind of adjusting this, and you may still have to make some adjustments in the back once you get that on. But, there you go. So then I'm just going to brush it out a little bit, just a little bit. And depending on what style you have, whether it's straight or wavy or curly or whatever it is, you just do accordingly, whatever you're going to do with it. And sometimes I will take some of this Echo and an old toothbrush, and I'll just dip my old toothbrush into the edge of this Echo, and then I'll use that to kind of bring my edges down and bring my baby hairs out, if that's what I want to do. I'd rather use my own baby hairs than use the baby hairs on wigs, as you know, but I can bring my own hair out on the sides of this. And then there you go, you're ready to go to work. So there's not a whole heck of a lot to it, but I wanted to bring this half wig to you, and just the idea of half wigs in general, because they're easy. What did that take, like 5 minutes for us to do that? And it looks nice, it looks natural. Like I said, just, I need to get some kind of a brush to brush that makeup off. But yeah, and you can use, these kinds of headbands are really the best because they're stretchy. You don't want to use like a plastic headband or something like that, because it's not going to go all the way around. You want something that goes all the way around. So that's why I think you should get one like that you can put around your neck and then put it up there. So yeah, so I mean, it's easy, it's cute. They come in all kinds of styles. You can get them on mostly all of the wig websites. You'll have to type in half wigs most of the time because they're not going to be like right at the top. But there are usually options in their menus, like I believe Glamour Tress and Sam's Beauty, Elevate Styles. I think that you can find half wigs on their websites because you can just search for them either in the menu bar or on the search field. So yeah, so I just wanted to bring you guys this wig. It's cute. Let me show you the back just real quick, just for the heck of it. And again, this one's called Tracy. No, not Tracy, Kaci. Yeah, this one's called Kaci. And I put the card up so you guys can see her. And yeah, so I just wanted to do this really quick. Now let me let you know that even though I'm calling this Half Wig Wednesday, I may not have a wig every Wednesday, but when I do, it's going to be Half Wig Wednesday. The same goes with my Thursday throwback wigs. Whenever I have a throwback wig, it's going to be on Thursday. So if you see me drop something on Thursday, more than likely it's a throwback wig, and if you see me drop something on Wednesday, it's a half wig. So if you're looking for that, you can check out my videos on those days. Make sure that you hit the notification bell, because the notification bell will let you know when I've uploaded a video. If you subscribe and you don't hit the notification bell, that's okay. You won't get any notifications from me for simply subscribing. It just kind of puts me on the left rail of your YouTube page. But if you do want to be notified about certain things on certain days, just hit the notification button and then you'll be notified through your YouTube that I have put up a new video. So thank you guys for watching this. I hope that this helped you. If you have any questions about anything as far as half wigs go, just let me know. I'll be seeing you guys in a couple of days with another video. So as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.